Wall Street was wrong on the way that this has worked out for Trump so far, which is kind of crazy that we're, I don't know, 3 months into his presidency.
Would you say like Wall Street was wrong, but I would extend it to say everyone was wrong? Who would be able to have predicted the outcome, at least of the market, 4 months into his administration?
A lot of voters would have said, I want the 2016 to 2019 economy. That's what I'm voting for. I'm sure that's what a lot of people thought. And obviously that's not what they're getting so far. So this is from the day after the election. Wall Street salivates over a new Trump boom. This is from the Wall Street Journal. And then this is a few days ago. Corporate America's euphoria over Trump's golden age is giving way to distress. Again, this happened in 5 months. Listen, I think most people thought, hey, listen, we're going to put some strategic tariffs on China. The stuff with Canada, that is the thing that could have long-lasting impacts. And those are the kind of things that make me pretty worried. And I'll say this. I'm more bearish now in my brain, my heart, whatever, not in my actions, my feelings. I'm more bearish now than I have been in 15 years. This is what I'm going to say.
Really?
I haven't been this bearish since the Great Financial Crisis on like where things could go cascading into serious problems. I'm not saying that's going to happen. This is how I feel.
Maybe I'm overestimating, or I've just been trained over the years, overestimating the resilience of the U.S. consumer and our corporate behemoths.
Yeah, I have faith that whatever happens, corporations will adjust. I just think that there's so much going on right now that has the potential for long-lasting impacts. Here's the thing. A lot of people have been shoving it in my face saying, Ben, you always say the president doesn't matter to the stock market. This proves you wrong. And the reason that I have always said that is because I never thought we'd have a president who would try to make the economy and the stock market go down, seemingly. So if I've read a ton of history on the Great Depression, and the crazy thing about it is the Fed and the economists and the politicians essentially made it 10 times worse. Like they didn't cause the Great Depression, but they made it way worse through their policies and actions. And my thinking is, well, we're never going to have that again. There's never going to be a politician who tries to implement policies that are going to hurt the economy on purpose. And that's what it seems like he's doing. And so I never figured we would see this.
Do you think that there could be a 10, 15% hit to corporate earnings?
Possibly, although I don't know how much of it just gets passed through to consumer.
But like absent that.
But don't you think that the valuation is the piece here? What if investors just say, I'm not giving the U.S. stocks a premium anymore?
Yeah.
I think that's the worry.